We're going to do a brief video on S&P 500 technical analysis, and we've got an S&P 500 E-mini futures contract in front of us here, daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. We're going to use this E-mini futures contract as a proxy for the S&P 500. It's a great one. It's the most liquid futures contract in the world, or one of them. And we take a look and we see we went in a bear market S&P 500 back here in April of 2022, bounced off of the 200-day moving average here in August 16th of 22, and yesterday, the 3rd, put in a new low here at 35.71. Now today we're rallying up over 3,800 on this SP 500 contract, which is right about here. We've come up above just slightly the 20-day moving average, and now we're in between the 20-day and the 5-day moving average, but still below the 200-day moving average. So we're still in a bear market in this contract. What we're basically getting is a very, very sharp bear market rally in the SP 500, almost certainly short covering, and probably almost certainly short-lived. My experience with this and technical analysis driven is going to be about from our bottom to our top, probably about 200 points at most. So if we just go ahead and take a look at it, that's what, 37.70, and we've already passed that. So this market's very overbought right at the moment. I think that given the fact it is overbought, we could probably get a little higher, maybe 39.50. But keep in mind, if you look at this chart, 39.50's got us pushed all the way up here, and I think that's going to be way too overbought. We're about right here at the 38.03 level today, and I think we're approaching overbought as far as that goes. So my analysis for this from a technical perspective, all my opinion for entertainment purposes only, is we're going to probably rally a hair higher and then drop back down to about the 27.25 level, 37.25, and look and see if we catch some support from the 5-day moving average. We have to get this price above the 5-day, above the 20-day, and put it back up here in the 4,000 range with solid support from the moving average and a base of buyers. We do not have a base of buyers here right now. We have 1 or 2 day rally, and it's just going to fall back down, in my opinion, as they take profits. So I'm looking for this market to top out here soon, drop back down, as I said, to about 37.50, 37.25, and then see if we get some support to push it up to the 4,000 level by the end, say the 3rd week of October. That's what I'm looking at currently. Let's take a look at the algorithmically generated prices that RBAM puts out. RBAM Research put these out this morning, had a short at 37.11. You could have made a little bit of profit on that. Keep in mind it's a 30-day hold, but you could have taken some profits as soon as you get them here this morning if you wanted to do that. And then that's the trend following system. If you come down and take a look at our other S&P 500, which is not trend following, it has entry positions for 1 through 20 days. And it's got a short position at 37.29. You also could have made a little bit of money for that today, but again, it's a 2-day hold. There wasn't any position for the 1-day holds today, and you'd have to wait and see what happens to the rest of these. But they were intermittently profitable this morning if you'd have put them on. You can get access to all of our information, all of our algorithmically generated prices for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below, absolutely free, no credit card required. Just head on over there and sign up with your email. You can please hit that like button if you want to. Please subscribe if you like these videos. We're putting out quite a few. We have over 300 now out. And please leave us a comment in the comment section below if you have something interesting that you want to convey. Please keep in mind that all of our analysis and all of our entry prices are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.